Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another part of Surds and Indices. The problem provided on screen was a homework problem which was given in part 1 of Surds and Indices. But before moving on to the topic of Surds and Indices part 2 and the questions, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of job opportunities as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. So moving on to the homework problem. Given that 10 raised to the power 0.48 equals to x, 10 raised to the power 0.70 equals to y, and x raised to the power z is equals to y square. So what is the value of z is close to? We know that x square equals to y square, and y is, we know that it is 10 raised to the power 0.70. So what we'll do is we know the value of x as well as y. In this equation we'll put the value of x like 10 raised to the power 0.48. Here x raised to the power 0 and 0.48 is also in power, so we'll write it as 10 raised to the power 0.48z equals to y square we have, and value of y is 10 raised to the power 0.70. As we multiply the power here with the power of this, so similarly we'll multiply the power of this with this. So 10 raised to the power 2 into 0.70, which is equals to 10 raised to the power 1.40. So now 0.48, the base is same as we have, so we'll compare the powers. 0.48z equals to 1.40, and so we can calculate z from here, which is 140 by 48 equals to 35 by 12, that is 2.9 approx, which is option C, your answer. Moving on to further questions. If 5 raised to the power a equals to 3125, what is the value of 5 raised to the power a minus 3? So 5 raised to the power a is 3125, and 3125 can be written as 5 raised to the power 5. So the base are same, we can compare the powers. A equals to 5. Now 5 raised to the power a minus 3, so we'll put the value of a here, that is 5. That means 5 raised to the power 2, which is 25. So that means the value of 5 raised to the power a minus 3 is 25, option A. If 3 raised to the power x minus y equals to 27 and 3 raised to the power x plus y equals to 243, so then x is equal to what? Okay, so 3 raised to the power x minus y equals to 27, and we can write 27 as 3 raised to the power 3. So the bases are same, 3 and 3 on both sides, so x minus y equals to 3. Similarly, we'll do with the other question. 243 can be written as 3 raised to the power 5. So x plus y equals to 5. So once you solve these two equations by elimination method or any other method, so you'll get the value of x as 4, and which is your option C. So 243 raised to the power n divided by 5 into 3 raised to the power 2n plus 1 divided by 9 raised to the power n into 3 raised to the power n minus 1. So what is this equation equals to? So we'll note down the given expression. You can write 243 as 3 raised to the power 5. 3 raised to the power 5 into power n by 5 into 3 raised to the power 2n plus 1, and denominator we have 9n, so we can write 9 as 3 raised to the power 2 raised to the power n, and 3n minus 1 will remain same. Now you can write it as 3 raised to the power 5 into n by 5 into 3 raised to the power 2n plus 1. You'll multiply the powers here also, so 3 raised to the power 2n into 3 raised to the power n minus 1. Now we have 3 raised to the power n into 3 raised to the power 2n plus 1, and denominator we have 3 raised to the power 2n into 3 raised to the power n minus 1. Bases are same, the powers will be added. So 3 raised to the power n plus 2n plus 1, and in denominator is 2n plus n minus 1. So it is equals to 3 raised to the power 3n plus 1 and 3 raised to the power 3n minus 1. This, as we have the powers base is same, so we can subtract the powers. 3, that is 3n plus 1 minus 3n plus 1. So it is equals to 3 square, which is equals to 9. That is your answer. 1 divided by 1 plus a raised to the power n minus m plus 1 divided by 1 plus a raised to the power m minus n equals to. Okay, so we'll have written the given statement here. Now you can write this a raised to the power n minus n as a raised to the power n divided by a raised to the power m. Similarly here a raised to the power m plus a raised to the power n. Now once you take the LCM here, you'll solve it and you'll get it as a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power m plus a raised to the power n plus a raised to the power n divided by a raised to the power n plus a raised to the power m. Now you can take the LCM because here in denominators both are same. So it is a raised to the power m plus a raised to the power n divided by the same. So you can cancel it and you have the answer as 1. If you are confused here with the concept of LCM, so you can go and watch the video of HCF and LCM. This concept is explained there. If m and n are whole numbers such that m raised to the power n equals to 121, what is the value of m minus 1 n plus 1? Okay, we know that 11 square is equals to 121, right? So if we put m equals to 11 and n equals to 2, so we get 21. Now m minus 1 raised to the power n plus 1. So similarly we'll put the value of m here 11 and in place of n we'll put n value, that is 2. So you can solve it. 11 minus 1 is 10 and 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 10 raised to the power 3, so that is 1000. Your answer, option D. So this is all about the concept of surds and indices. The problem provided on screen is a homework problem for you guys. Make sure you leave the answer in the comment section. In each last part of the video there is a practice sheet for you guys. Solve that, which is mentioned in the description. Solve that because that will be very helpful for you in any aptitude exam. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.